How long can Ally Bank hold a direct deposit? Intro. Hey there, you've just received a long-awaited paycheck, but when you check your Ally Bank account, it's still empty. You're wondering, how long can Ally Bank hold a direct deposit? Hook. Today, we're diving deep into that question. We'll explore the reasons for holds, how long they typically last, and what you can do if you're facing an extended hold. Context. Direct deposits are convenient, but they're not always immediate. Banks often place holds on incoming funds, especially for new accounts or large deposits. Building tension. But why do banks do this? And most importantly, how long can these holds last? The main content. Common reasons for holds. New accounts. Banks are cautious about new customers. To verify your identity and account activity, they may place holds on initial deposits. Large deposits. If you deposit a significant amount, the bank might want to ensure the funds are legitimate. Suspicious activity. If the bank detects unusual activity on your account, they might hold funds as a precaution. Bank policies. Some banks have specific policies regarding holds, such as holding funds from certain types of transactions. How long do holds typically last? Standard holds. For most accounts, holds typically last a few business days. This is to give the bank time to verify the funds and update your account balance. Extended holds. In some cases, holds can be extended, especially if there are issues with the funds or your account. What to do if your hold is taking too long? Contact Ally Bank. If you're concerned about an extended hold, reach out to Ally Bank's customer service. They can provide specific information about your account and the reason for the hold. Review your account activity. Check your account for any unusual activity that might trigger a hold. Provide additional documentation. If requested, be prepared to provide any necessary documentation to expedite the release of your funds. Tips for avoiding holds. Open your account in advance. If you know you'll be receiving a large direct deposit, open your Ally Bank account well in advance. Provide required information. Ensure that all necessary information, such as your employer's details, is accurate and up to date. Avoid suspicious activity. Be mindful of your account activity and avoid actions that might raise red flags. Conclusion. While holds on direct deposits can be frustrating, understanding the reasons and knowing what to do can help you navigate the process more smoothly. By following the tips we've discussed today, you can minimize the inconvenience and ensure your funds are available when you need them. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.